Hello, this is the first video in a series that will cover what a node is on 1Cademy. A node is a single rectangular box that contains a unit of information that is presented in the title and described in the content of that box. A node represents the smallest unit of knowledge on 1Cademy. Nodes can be used to connect to other nodes, as can be seen here. Each node contains several key features. These include a header, where the title of the node can be found, a footer with a number of ways to interact with the node, an indication of the person that proposed and made the node, and an indication of the type of node that it is. There are several node types. These include a concept node, which can be seen here, defines a single concept of information and its definition. There are also relation nodes, which compare and explain a relationship between two or more topics. Idea nodes are new, original ideas that are not summarized from an external source or contain any needed citations. Question nodes ask a simple multiple choice question that users answer by selecting the options provided. Code nodes allow you to enter a snippet of code. And finally, there are reference nodes, which display a cited source in an APA format.